Hi, family. This is Dr. Financial Literacy, aka Willie Green, bringing you another journey in my use of velocity banking through a credit card. I am a political economist. I am not a financial planner. I'm not a CPA nor an attorney. As a political economist, I look at the interaction between society and governmental practices. So do a recap. Yesterday, I indicated that the credit card that I'm using to do the velocity banking, which is as defined as I'm using it, velocity banking is the use of revolving credit, particularly someone else's money, to pay down your debt. So I'm using the bank's money to pay down my debt. I had a credit card that was blank with $6,200 on it. I took out a cash advance of 18% from the ATM of the card. That left me with available credit on the card of 4340. From that, I had a balance of 1860. This is that cash advance. And using velocity banking, you want to try to do everything through your credit card. As I noted yesterday, there are some things that I couldn't do through the credit card and trying to see how I can improve on that. But thus far, I was able to put groceries and electricity on there, and that brought my new credit card balance to 2135. That is 1956.18 cash advance, 2135. I've gotten two paychecks that I placed on the card. My first paycheck, well, I'm sorry, one paycheck really that I placed on the card. My first check was 1686. I had to pay all of my housing expenses out of it. That left me with approximately $286 over from my first paycheck in California. So again, I'm out in Santa Rosa, California. They say that definitely California has a challenge with expenses, but this is what I'm left with from the first week, $286.70. Let me make sure just circle that. Excuse me. All right, all right. Okay. So again, after 2 weeks of working, paying off my rent the first week, I'm left with $286.76. So if I would have paid, so now I'm saying that in general. So on the credit card, I paid, or I'm targeting to pay $50 a month. That's general. And trying to find the average daily balance on the credit card in which what you pay, you are multiplying, or I'm multiplying the cash that I took out, 1860, times the interest rate of 18%. That gave me $334.80. Then divide that by the number of days in the year. Then I get 365. My average daily balance on this credit card that I need to pay, 92 cents. 92 cents. I borrowed 1860. I'm looking to pay it off in a year, and I end up paying 92 cents per day. All right, now that we caught up from there, let's see what we have. Okay, so I got my second paycheck. One part of it, because I have it going in two accounts, came out 1280. I deposited that on the 25th. The second one came out today, which was another 400, and I went to deposit that in general. So velocity banking, again, with an 18% credit card, 18%. I'm paying on the credit card to use someone else's money to do velocity banking to reduce my debt. So my income for the entire month, now that I've gotten both of my biweekly checks, $3,364.70. Two paychecks. My expenses thus far, I hadn't finished all my expenses because we still got a couple of days left in the month, so that can change. So far, my expenses $2,475.02. I'm taking my income After taxes, after taxes, so the cash flow between my income and my expenses, I have $889.68. Now, I haven't paid all my bills on the credit card so far, still trying to figure that out in general. So this number is probably significantly will drop to my cash flow per month out in California, maybe $100 or $89 or $25. Currently, after I put the 1280 and the 400 on the credit card, that gave me a balance right now of 158. But again, with the velocity banking, it's about using a credit card to act as maybe a savings account, checking account, and paying your bills. And that helps to bring down the average daily balance of what you owe, which was the credit card. I borrowed 1860. This was a cash advance, and I'm owing 0.92 cents per day. This was a cash advance from an ATM. All right. So again, I just wanted to update you. So far, we're not at the end of the month. The day is the 26th. Got a couple of more days. But so far, the average daily balance that I'm being hit is about 158 now. But I started with an average daily balance of maybe 1,800, then maybe 1,500, 1,600, because I chunked on my income for this month. So thank you for stopping by. I really hope this provides some clarity as I continue to work through this and use velocity banking and someone else's revolving credit to decrease my credit. Thank you very much for your time. Everyone have a great day. If you have any questions or comment, please just drop a line. If you'd like to work with me also, I do small micro loans in general. And that's a part of what I'm trying to do and work out. So definitely give me a call to see how I can work with you. You have a great day.